My name is Danielle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to those of you who are new. Today, I'm going to take you along as I browse through HomeGoods to see what they have available this month. I know that these videos can be a bit frustrating sometimes because not all HomeGoods sell the same items, but I love to see what others find in stores to get inspiration to style my home. I found some hidden gems and some amazing high-end dupes that you'll love, so let's jump right into it. As soon as I walked into the store, to the right near the entrance was this beautiful 3-piece patio set. The webbing is stunning and is a beautiful neutral color with the perfect fabric on the cushions that are great for warm weather. Always make sure to check every inch of items on clearance at places like HomeGoods because sometimes they are damaged like this one was. Unfortunately, the webbing was unraveling at the bottom of the chair, which could be difficult to repair for long term. This is another outdoor set that was on clearance. It was $360. I always look for seasonal items at the end of the season because they are always on sale since stores are clearing their shelves for new items. So items like these are great to purchase now for next year. As we all know, HomeGoods has already begun stocking their shelves for Halloween and the fall season, and I am so excited. I don't typically decorate for Halloween, but I did find a couple of really cute items. Here is a snake taper candle holder with a marble base that is really fun. Black taper candles would go really nice with this. This black pumpkin with a frog on top caught my attention. I really love pumpkins that are oddly shaped like this, and I like the frog sitting on top. I think it adds a really nice touch. I actually Googled this pumpkin when I got home, and some secondhand websites are selling this for about $65. So if you're interested in this, go to your local HomeGoods and snag it for only $16.99. Now onto the glass vase section. I love all of the different shades of browns and greens for the fall season. This beautiful amber vase is a great dupe for the one sold at Crate & Barrel. It is currently on sale there for $39.97 and is priced at HomeGoods for only $14.99. I prefer to decorate glass vases like these with nothing in them. If I do decorate these with something, it's typically a floral that is simple and dainty like a baby's breath or a simple singular branch. This is also $6.99. Scalloped decor items are popular right now. This basket was only $9.99. I love the contrast of colors on this tray. These next two items are marble utensil holders. There is one that is similar in size and color that is sold at Target for $25. This white one is $12.99 and the green is $19.99. These would make an incredible addition to any countertop. They can complement any home decor style. These plates are $5.99 each. I actually put them in my cart but changed my mind because we don't need any more dinnerware. You can find these at various stores. They typically are sold as a 16-piece set for around $100. I fell in love with this bathroom set. The soft mint green color and light marbling is so calming and would be a great addition to any bathroom. You can honestly also use this in your kitchen. Here is a checkerboard hamper for $24.99. On this particular day, sales associates began stocking the shelves with autumnal colored pillows. These fall colors definitely get me excited for the fall season. I love this mustard colored pillow and the material. It was $24.99. If I were to style this in my home, I think I would remove the tassel. Now let's move on to wall art. I love HomeGoods because they have pieces that can accommodate any style at really great prices. I thought this framed tapestry was interesting. It was on clearance for $48. This painting, no words. It's the perfect piece for the fall, and the frame complements the painting very well. It was only $39.99 for this large piece. The lamp section at the store was to die for. There were so many options and so many stunning lamps that looked like pieces of art. HomeGoods is the place to go to for high-end looking lamps at a really great price. Lamps like this with 3 legs have been very popular lately. At HomeGoods, it's $49.99. There is also a lamp similar to this at Pottery Barn that is $469. If you prefer a different finish on the base like the ones at Pottery Barn, you can simply spray paint it. Rugs are another home item that you can get for a really great price at HomeGoods, especially the larger size rugs. If they are still out of your price range at HomeGoods though, I would suggest checking Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. Those are really good options. I've bought expensive rugs on those sites at massively discounted prices. I love HomeGoods because it always inspires me and gets my creative juices flowing. When I walk through the store, I envision how various items will help to add that special touch that our home needs. If I feel like something is overpriced, seeing items in the store gives me ideas of what I can DIY for much less. Let's just take a moment to appreciate these gorgeous chairs. They are stunning. Depending on your budget, these can still be pricey, but I did see ones at Article and West Elm, and they range from $800 to $900 there. This chair is another stunner. I sat in this chair and it's so soft and cozy. This black spindle accent chair is $3.99 at HomeGoods compared to $9.95 at Williams Sonoma. I love the color and wicker detail of this storage cabinet. You can use this as an entry table, a dresser, anything that really your heart desires. These benches, if I had room for this, I would have purchased one. These are plush and will add a nice cozy feel to any room. I think this was my favorite item on this particular day. It was only $130. I thought this accent table was cute. For how small it was, I did think it was overpriced, but nonetheless, it's really adorable. There was also this beautiful black kitchen island. Now onto my favorite section of HomeGoods, their decor accessories section. This style of jug has been popular for the past few years and can cost hundreds depending on where you buy it. It was a great price at $29.99. I have mixed feelings about this one, honestly. I love the brown clay texture on the bottom and I like the blue, but I think the handles are throwing me off. I thought I'd include this though because it's unique and it caught my eye. This chain decor piece and one similar help to jazz up any space. I'm not a huge fan of jumbo chain decor pieces, but I like this because it's only 2 rings and the marble adds a bit of elegance. This planter immediately made me think of the ceramic star planter at Olive Atelier. The dimensions for the one at Olive Atelier aren't available online, but I thought that this looked pretty similar. This clay jar was only $24.99, but again, be careful with clearance items at HomeGoods. There was a large crack on the bottom that I nearly missed. Books can be used as a great decor piece. I personally wouldn't pay $24.99 for these, but they will add a rustic and vintage flair to your space if that's what you're going for. Lots of people have been styling their homes with books like these. HomeGoods is a great place to collect them because the prices are not outrageous. This beautiful faux, I think they're mums, will add fall charm to your home. They were only $14.99 for a bunch of about 8, which is an amazing price. At any other store, these can cost about $10 to $25 per stem. This wreath is similar to the one sold at Target for $69.99. It is $29.99 here at HomeGoods. I love the whimsical feel that these flowing branches bring. So that concludes my shopping trip to HomeGoods. I did purchase a few items, so if you're interested, stay tuned because I will be styling my home with pieces that I picked up today in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!